everyone. So, you must have thought that all these coders and professional software developers and application developers type something on some black colored platform or type something and then they get output. They make big softwares and all. You must have seen all these black screens and colorful letters on it, which usually coders do in movies like Matrix and all. So what are this? How what are how do they code and all? So in this video I'm going to tell you what these platforms are, how to install them, especially for Python, because I'm going to teach Python. And after that, today we will learn how to code, and today we will code our first program, Hello World, which is so basic and so easy to learn. So first of all, to give you a quick introduction of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. I can't interpret this very well, but he was the creator of this language. It was coded in C++ or C. So it is already done in basic language, that is C++. So this is something about Python. We will learn Python, and then talking about the platforms which we will use to code Python will be Python. There are different versions. The latest version right now is 3.8.5, which is available on python.org. So let's begin installing these platforms. So first of all, we will go to search bar. We will type Python org there. Then after typing this, we will get results page. We will click the first option, which will be www. The site contains various blogs like about, downloads, documentation, community, success stories, news and all. The download option is there, and in this option always there is a latest version of the Python. It is already a coded language in C++, so we have to download different versions of it, and the latest version right now is 3.8.5, so we will download it. Now this is available on the site in different forms, different versions for different operating systems. For Mac it is available, for Windows it is available, and it depends on the operating system you are using for your computer or laptop. Right now I am having Windows, so I will download that version on the basis of the memory I am having right now in my laptop. I already have that, so I will not install. I'm just giving you instruction what you should do. After installing all that, you will run the program, the zip file, and it will be downloaded. How it will look, let me show you. Windows and all, I will search it. So Python, here it is. It will be available like this. This is the black screen I was talking about before. We can write any code over here related to Python, and this lets us download various files extensions related to Python, and whatever IDE, that is integrated development environment, we will use for coding, it will support that. That's why we have why we use IDE, because it is a good editing source code for beginners. It is good. It gives highlighting options, autocomplete, building executables. It provides a better debugging. That's why we use IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. To install this, we will again go over search bar. For me it is Visual Studio Code. I already have it in my laptop, so I will show you how to download that. You can download other IDEs like PyCharm and all. You can search those IDEs If you want the list, I will provide it in description. So here it is, Visual Studio Codes. This site contains docs, updates, blog, API, extensions, facts, FAQs. Then we have to install this. We will go scroll down. Now here it is given that it is available in various languages, and then for downloading it has options like Windows, .deb for Ubuntu, and .rpm for other OS, I don't know, and for Mac it is also there. So to show you how to download it for Mac, we will click on that, scroll down, and then download it. But I already have that, so I will cancel that. So you will do the remaining process, and if you get any problem about this, share it with me in the comments. I will tell you the answer to it regarding installing and all. Well, it has IntelliSense, run on debug, built-in GIT extensions. So now we will see how it works. I have clicked on Visual Studio Code. Now our first program we will type, that is hello world. So here we will write print to print hello world. Basically Python is a very easy language. Whatever we want to do, it contains basic English words like print. It will print an output, whatever we write in those brackets in double quotes. So it will print that. So let's see, print. Then it has given the this is what we call what an IDE is. This IDE gives us information that what print should contain in its brackets, like values, object, sep, optional, and this information is given by IDE to us, and it is not possible in the platform I have shown you before, although it supports IDE and Python, so we can't deny that too. We can install any IDE based on the platform I have shown you before. It is a basic code editor, but it is not an IDE. We can write code on that and get an output, but for easier use we will use IDE like Visual Studio Code. So to continue, so this information is already given here, and now we will write in double quotes hello world. Whatever we want to print as an output, we will write it in double quotes, so hello world. Then we will run that without debugging. We have that option, so this is what we get as an output on terminal, that is hello world. So this we will get. After doing this, we can write anything else in spite of hello world. We can write welcome to my Python, welcome to my world of programming, and it will print this. After running, this is what we call path, where all the program is saved in our computers, and in this path it is saved. Whatever we write as a program, as a coder, whatever we code in that program. So to give you some variation, we can write hello world in this in a different way by giving exclamation marks like this, and running this we will get the output like this. Whatever we write in the double quotes, the same thing will be reflected in output. So if you have any questions regarding this program, any other things, or whether you have any doubts regarding all this video, you can ask me in the comment section, or I will give you, or there also is a Instagram account link. You can DM me on that if you have any doubts regarding this. So thank you. If you like this video, be sure to like this. If you find it helpful for yourself and you think that it will be helpful for your other friends and colleagues, you can share it to them. We will find this helpful. And be sure to subscribe if you want such more such videos. It will help me a lot if you subscribe the channel. It is for free. It will not cost anything to you. So thank you, and we will meet again.